When you're working on your computer, you often need to move windows around or resize them. But with the default Windows method, this can get a little annoying. To move a window, you have to grab the title bar at the top, and to resize it, you need to carefully drag one of the edges or corners. But there's a much easier way to do it. With a PowerToys feature called Grab and Move, you can move or resize a window from anywhere inside it. PowerToys is a free set of utilities from Microsoft, and it includes some really useful tools for Windows users. You can download PowerToys for free from the Microsoft Store. After installing it, open PowerToys, search for Grab and Move, and make sure the feature is enabled. You can also choose which key activates it, either the Alt key or the Windows key. Now, here's how it works. Hold down Alt, then left-click and drag anywhere inside a window. The window will move with your mouse. And if you hold Alt, then right-click and drag, you can resize the window from anywhere inside it. The resize direction depends on where you start dragging. For example, if you start near the right side, the window resizes from the right, and if you start near the bottom, it resizes from the bottom. It's a small feature, but it makes working with Windows much faster and more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel.